Craving a fitness challenge that's both physically and mentally rewarding? Enter the push-up challenge. Originating in the military, this test of strength and endurance has become a global fitness phenomenon. Why so popular? It's not just about the upper body workout, although it does target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even engages the core. It's also about mental resilience, self-confidence, and clarity. The beauty of this challenge is its versatility. There are variations aplenty, from beginner-friendly to hardcore, ensuring everyone can join the push-up party. And it's not just for solo fitness enthusiasts. The push-up challenge can serve as a fantastic team-building exercise, fostering camaraderie through collective sweat and determination. So whether you're looking to tone up, lose weight, or simply shake up your workout routine, the push-up challenge may be just what you need. Remember, it's not just about the number of push-ups you can do, it's about the journey of self-improvement. Keep pushing, and the rewards will surely follow.